This is a short demo showing you how to extract transactions from PDF into Excel using StatementReader. So once you've opened StatementReader, on the left-hand side, we've got all the countries for which we've got templates built. If you select UK, you can see all the main banks there. And all you need to do is select the bank name and then use the thumbnail image at the very bottom of the screen to select the template that matches the document that you're processing. Once there, you can select the document, the PDF document that you'd like to process, and you click Go. So the very first time this runs, it will upload the image document to an OCR server and return that as a searchable PDF document for processing locally on your machine. Obviously, you select the data is deleted from the OCR server as it's configured now, and the data is extracted and validated on your machine. So we can see here we've got a repair summary showing 98% accuracy, and we've automatically extracted directly into Excel. And we've got some shading for the user to check a couple of cells. So there's a last page that has no transactions found. So we can use the hyperlink within Excel to go directly to that page and just validate that that page was it's a summary page, so there were no transactions on it.